Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP questions plugin on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. Okay, in our example, we are going to use the VirtualBox as a software. However, you're free to use any other software for virtualization purposes. It could be VMware or any other. Okay. In our case, we have Redmine 5.1.1 stable version, so let's start using it. Here we have to wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to start. Alright, we're into the login screen. So we are now with the default user and password for the backend of our Redmine. Okay, so it is stated here that the Redmine is located onto this IP address. So if you'd like to double check this, or this message hasn't shown you, then you could use command hostname I. So it is confirmed that this is the address where our Redmine is located. So let's go and try. It is needed for Redmine a couple of seconds also, because it starts now and it loads its processes. Okay, so we are now into our Redmine and we are already logged in as user, which is also the default front-end profile of your Redmine. It is here, user and this password. Of course, you can change it anytime afterward. However, I'm using this as a default credentials for easier understanding. Okay, if we go to administration now and information, we see that indeed we have Redmine 5.1.1 stable and a couple of plugins already installed. At the end of this video, we are going to have the questions plugin installed here. Okay, so let's go back to our command line. Now we move to folder opt Bitnami Redmine plugins. And if we list, we see the plugins that we have already seen here. So this is the front end of our Redmine, this is the back end. Okay, now we are going to download the questions plugin. I'm going to use the wget method, but you can use other methods, for example machine, file manager, and we see that the host machine or your computer is already logged in here. However, you could log in as a guest onto the right, and you can enter your username and password here, and the guest, which is actually your virtual machine and Bitnami Redmine, is going to appear here on the right. And you could just copy paste the file via the following arrows. Okay, and also you could use other methods for sharing, it is up to you. However, in our case, we are going to use the wget. Okay, so I pasted the link that is pointing to the latest Redmine questions plugin, that is version 1.05, and I click enter now. So it is successfully saved and downloaded. If you'd like to check, you can list all the files, and here it is, Redmine questions 1.05 pro zip file. Okay, so we unzip it via the unzip command, and now we remove the zip file because we are no longer needing it. Okay, and if we list now again, we see our questions folder here. Okay, so far so good, as they say. Now let's go back to the core Redmine folder. Now we run bundle install, and this is going to install all the needed gems for your plugin. Okay, so the next command is the migration. So it is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins name, and here it is the name of the plugin, which in our case is Redmine questions, and the environment that in our case is production. Okay, so we wait for the migration of the tables of the database to start, and here it is. These rows are showing you that the migration of the tables are processed, so everything is fine, everything is migrated. And the very last thing is to restart the processes via this command. Okay, so you could power off your virtual machine and then power on again. It is the same as power off your real computer and then power on, so it is the same. However, this is a faster way of restarting via the following command. So let's go back to our browser and double check what is happening there to see if we have done our job good. We need a couple of seconds for Redmine to load because it has been restarted. Okay, so here it is, Redmine Questions plugin successfully installed onto our Redmine 511. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good for you and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.